Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The Nintendo Switch 2 has been officially revealed. After months, even years, of speculation, leaks and rumors, Nintendo has finally pulled back the curtain on their next-generation hybrid console. And let me tell you, I was not prepared for this. My phone was buzzing with notifications, my inbox was flooded, and the first thing I did was dive straight into the announcement trailer. Now let's break it all down. Features, design, gameplay, and of course, what this means for Nintendo's future. First impressions of the Nintendo Switch 2 reveal. The trailer is a cinematic masterpiece, but at the same time, it's incredibly minimalistic. Nintendo dropped this bombshell without a single word. No dramatic narration, no over-the-top voiceover. Just pure, raw footage of the console itself. And that says a lot. It tells us that Nintendo knows exactly what they have on their hands. When the video starts, we see the familiar silhouette of the original Switch. But then, things quickly shift. The new model is significantly bigger, with a gorgeous near-borderless display that screams premium. If you thought the OLED model was an upgrade, this takes it to another level. The Nintendo Switch 2 is designed to maximize immersion with its larger screen and refined form factor, making handheld gaming feel more next-gen than ever before. A new era of Joy-Con controllers. One of the biggest surprises in the trailer is the redesigned Joy-Con controllers. We get a close-up of the sticks, and something about the way they spin effortlessly suggests that Nintendo may have finally addressed the dreaded stick drift problem. Could this mean Hall effect sensors? If so, this would be a huge win for Nintendo fans, ensuring long-term durability for competitive and casual gamers alike. But there's more. The right Joy-Con now features an optical sensor, which hints at an innovative new control scheme. As seen in the trailer, the controllers appear to glide across the table, functioning almost like a motion-sensing mouse. This could open up a whole new level of interactivity for certain games, allowing for more precise movement and creative gameplay mechanics. Nintendo has always been known for pushing boundaries, and this is a prime example of how they continue to innovate. The stunning new design and colors. The color scheme of the Nintendo Switch 2 is another major talking point. Gone are the neon red and blue Joy-Cons. Nintendo has opted for a more sophisticated, toned-down red, with a hint of orange. It's a subtle change, but one that gives the console a more refined aesthetic. This, paired with the sleek black chassis, makes the device look like a true next-generation console. One of my favorite aspects is the added splash of color on the interior of the device. This small design choice makes the console stand out even when the Joy-Cons aren't attached. When docked without controllers, the original Switch could sometimes feel like an anonymous piece of tech. But the Switch 2, with its bright accents, maintains its identity even in docked mode. Performance upgrades and features. While Nintendo hasn't officially confirmed the specs just yet, leaks have long suggested that the Switch 2 will feature an improved chipset, potentially something in the realm of NVIDIA's custom silicon. This means significantly better performance, faster load times, and perhaps even support for ray tracing. Another exciting feature is backward compatibility. The Nintendo Switch 2 will play both physical and digital Switch games, but there's a catch. Some games may not be supported or fully compatible. This could be due to differences in Joy-Con functionality, screen dimensions, or software optimizations. For example, games that relied on the IR sensor, like certain Labo experiences, may not work on the new model. It'll be interesting to see how Nintendo navigates this compatibility issue. The docking station and TV mode. The dock has also received a minor but crucial redesign. It still features that smooth minimalist look, but with a few notable tweaks. There's an extra gap on the front, which suggests improved ventilation or even a new feature we haven't seen before. One thing missing from the trailer is a display on the dock. Many fans had speculated that Nintendo might add a small screen for showing time, notifications, or other useful information, but it looks like that won't be the case, at least for now. The game changer, Mario Kart for Switch 2. Perhaps the most exciting reveal of all? A brand new Mario Kart game launching alongside the Switch 2. This is a game changer. The last time we got a new Mario Kart was Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, which was essentially a port from the Wii U. This new entry marks the first original Mario Kart in a decade. Nintendo's strategy here is genius. Mario Kart is one of the best-selling games of all time, and its popularity never fades. By launching a new Mario Kart on day one, Nintendo is ensuring that the Switch 2 will be an instant success. Imagine the marketing potential. Every streamer, influencer, and gaming YouTuber will be playing this game, bringing massive exposure to the console. And on a personal level, think about the peer pressure. When your friends are all playing Mario Kart online, you're going to want to grab a Switch too just to join in on the fun. Nintendo's strategy for success. The original Switch launched with The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild, which was a monumental success. Now, Nintendo is looking to surpass that by leading with Mario Kart. This move ensures that multiplayer engagement is at an all-time high from day one, fostering an immediate and lasting community around the console. But that's not all. The reveal also hinted at worldwide hands-on events leading up to launch. Release date and what's next? Mark your calendars. April 2nd, 2025 is the official reveal date. That's when we'll get all the nitty-gritty details, likely including pricing, additional launch titles, and special editions. The actual release window is still up for speculation, but given Nintendo's track record, we can expect it to hit shelves before the holiday season. Between now and then, we can expect more leaks, potential gameplay footage, and maybe even some surprise announcements. Will we see a Metroid Prime 4 launch alongside it? Could there be a new Super Mario Odyssey sequel in the works? The possibilities are endless. Final thoughts. Is this the perfect upgrade? The Nintendo Switch 2 is shaping up to be the perfect successor to one of the most successful gaming consoles in history. It retains the hybrid DNA that made the Switch iconic while enhancing the experience with better hardware, a bigger screen, improved controllers, and a killer launch lineup. Now the big question is, will it live up to the hype? From what we've seen so far, the answer is a resounding yes. But I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the Nintendo Switch 2? Are you excited for the launch? Do you think this will be the definitive way to play Nintendo games moving forward? Let's discuss this in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech and gaming news. See you next time on Techno Trend Zone.